they started off with some old flow analysis to try to get us to the right parameters, but we still had to, we did some testing on site to looking at one of the critical parameters at the time was, because if you're putting on a line under, if you're putting on your water line, you're applying torque to the I call the legs coming down, right? So one of the issues we had was it was cracking the upper body of the valve, right? So we had the torque requirement. We still wanted to make sure that people are going to put these in and crack the valves every time they put them in. So we had some strength issues we had to work through, but we were able to kind of optimize that through process once we had the right material. And we actually did that work kind of live. We did, like I said, we did a mold flow to kind of get the first basis for our work, and then we did several iterations over the course of the week, and we kind of did live testing there. So that was one of the things I remember most about that initial project, is going there, kind of working hand in hand with one of our other. It was actually at the time it was the engineering manager for the retail business unit. I was in the platforms group, but we were equivalents, but we were working kind of hand in hand along with the sourcing person. As well, and the vendor. So it was a good collaboration at the time, and those are, to me, are some of the memorable moments when you're working in product development, when you get like a group of people working together, kind of solve a problem.